Hello friends, how are you? Today we're in a new location. Actually, I enjoy this very much. I don't know, this is my third or fourth time that I've been into the greenhouse. This one is, we're gonna go visit two different places. One of them gonna be aubergine, and then the other one gonna be the squash. So which is aubergine there is like tomatoes and green pepper and everything in it. So I will just show you inside. And just follow me, please. Enjoy the show. Friends, now we're in greenhouse. To be honest, like inside here is, wow, 40 degrees or something. It's so warm and all. So I just want to give you quick information here. This is like 500 square meter aubergine greenhouse, which is there's 400 pieces of plants here. So which is they put it in October and they start to get harvest from December. So like it's gonna be harvested in like 7 months total, 6-7 months. So it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Of course, I will pick some of it, so which is I have already Caesar with me, so I will cut it and bring it home, a couple of pieces anyway. So you see that is a beautiful green pepper and the aubergine, and there is a tomato as I see it on the other side as well. So as I say, you can see they already added some other things in this place, like green pepper. So I will start to pick myself some to take it home. The freshly is the beautiful. Wow, look at this! It's very nice. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna pick it here and then put it there, and then later on I will be enjoying this myself as well. Just have a look around, guys. So now I'm picking some stuff as well to myself. So I'm gonna just take this aubergine. Oh, look at this! What a beautiful. You know what? This is amazing. Like just picking yourself your own vegetables and later on at home and enjoy this. Later I will be cooking this and I will show you what with this. Probably I will be doing some food at home. So now is already the owner of this greenhouse is coming with some of them. She already picked it. We would like to show you as well. Look at this. She picked paprika and a green pepper. It's beautiful looking. So I just put it back mine inside as well. So she let us visit her greenhouse. It's very beautiful, very fresh and nice and everything. Really, we enjoy very much this. I hope you're gonna enjoy it as well. Oh, anyway, if there is any question, you can just comment it down below so we can try to answer you and everything. Here it is. I find one more. It's beautiful aubergine. I'm gonna take it this one. Oh, it's a beautiful. Look at this beauty. Wow, it's so fresh and nice. I'm enjoying very much this, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Now we are in greenhouse with Squatch, but to be honest, my cameraman over there is pissing me off some. He say come and go and this and that, all the stories. But anyway, this one is the Squatch as you see, and there is like the green beans in it as well. And the other one had it also some other stuff than just aubergine, was like tomato and the paprika and the green pepper, everything. So this is like it's starting from January. Again, like harvest will be like 6 months. Like there's 800 plantation here, so it's like quite very healthy and good looking place. Only the difference between that was only the glass house, but this one is the top is covered by plastic, like a two different greenhouse. So enjoy watching. Okay, now I'm picking one of my squash myself. All right, I don't want to damage other plants, so I just want to have this. Okay, almost there. Yes, beautifully done. The flowers on the top and everything, you see. By the way, you can see it like I'm sweating a lot because inside is like 40 or 50 degrees, really. Wow. Yes, my good friends, so we're done. Today is end of our trip. So I want to thank her, the owner of this place. It was like very hospitality she had, and she gave us some present as well. So I would like to show her presents. I get aubergine, I get squash, paprika, green pepper, and I have green beans, but I haven't much more there. So bye for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, please just comment down below, so we'll try to answer you back. Bye bye.